Now, how to implement these steps, I will show you in the solution. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I'm going to explain you each and every step of the solution of question that you can see on your screen. So do watch this video till end for complete understanding of the solution. If you face any doubt, share it in the comment box or DM me on my Instagram. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without any further delay, let's start solving the question. First of all, we read the given question. Find derivative of the function y is equal to f of x. So this is the given function. Y is equal to f of x. Means this function is in terms of x. Using derivatives of inverse function. X is equal to f inverse of y. So what we have to do? This given function which is in terms of x, we have to convert it in terms of y, which is inverse function of this given function f of x. So once we convert this given function into its inverse function, which is in terms of y, we differentiate this given function and find the value of dx by dy. And then by using theorem of derivatives of inverse function, we find the value of dy by dx, which is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Now how to implement these steps, I will show you in the solution. First of all, we write the given solution this way, given, and then we note down the given solution y is equal to e raised to x minus 3. Now here you can see that this function is in terms of x. Now we have to convert this into function which will be in terms of y, and this new function which is in terms of y will be inverse function of the function y is equal to f of x. Now how to convert this? We have to use all the concepts. Now here we have minus 3. Once we shift to another side of the equal sign, it becomes y plus 3, which is equal to e raised to x. Now I will take log of both the sides. Then what I will get? Taking log to the base e of both sides. What I will get? Log e raised to x to the base e is equal to log y plus 3 to the base e. This log e to the base e will give me 1, and this log of y plus 3 to the base e, I will write it as it is. On further simplifying, what I will get? X is equal to log of y plus 3 to the base e. I will mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to y. And what I will get? Dx by dy is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Now I have got this 1 upon y plus 3. Now here you can see that I have y plus 3. And from equation 1, so dx by dy is equal to 1 upon e raised to x. In this way, we got the value of dx by dy. Once I get the value of dx by dy, then using theorem of derivatives of inverse function. Using theorem of derivatives of inverse function, what I will get? I will get the value of dy by dx, which is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Now I will substitute the value of dx by dy over here. Then what I will get? 1 upon e raised to x. Dy by dx is equal to e raised to x. This is our required answer. So in this way, we solve this type of question. First, we write the function y is equal to f of x. Now this function is in terms of x. Then we convert this into its inverse function. X is equal to log of y plus 3 to the base e, which is inverse function of this given function y is equal to e raised to x minus 3. Now after converting into inverse function of y, we differentiate this function with respect to y. After differentiation, we get the value of dx by dy, which is equal to 1 upon e raised to x. Then by using theorem of derivatives of inverse function, we find the value of dy by dx, which is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. On substituting value of dx by dy, we get the value of dy by dx after simplification, which is equal to e raised to x. And this is our required answer. So in this way, we solve the given question. I hope you have understood each and every step that is required to solve this question. If this is the case, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it on my Instagram. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.